Hi guys, so I need your help to check if the one that I just bought from Shopee is actually an original Brilliant Tinted Sunscreen. Because as you notice, ito po yung unang tinted sunscreen na binili ko sa isang authorized distributor ng Brilliant. At ito yung nabili ko sa Shopee. Pero if pansin nyo po, magkaiba po yung packaging ng dalawa. Ito is dark pink, tas ito light pink. And if pansin nyo dito, meron siyang nakalagay na new look, pero ito wala siyang nakalagay. But at the bottom, meron siyang dito, new and improved, and dito din wala. So I'm not sure if Brilliant has updated their tinted sunscreen packaging and if this is the new one, or hindi to yung legit at saka counterfeit product. So let me know in the comment section, guys, because right now I'm very hesitant to use this one.